Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, I'm going to be looking at unboxing the Sennheiser Momentum wireless headphones. So, without saying too much more, let's get straight into it. Alright, so on this channel here, this is the Beardicus channel. It is a one-take video. So, if I make a mistake or anything like that, or stuff up, you're going to hear it. And that's just how I like to keep this channel. I like to keep it raw. I like to keep it unique, honest. And yeah, you get to see the whole thing straight up. All right, so it comes with a little sleeve there, which I'll put to the side for a second. All right, nice clean white box. All right, I'll put that one there. All right, so there's foam encasing the actual headphones themselves. There we go. So that's all that's in the box is just the foam and the case. So I'll close that back up again. All right, so I want to say a huge thanks to Sennheiser for sending this out to me. It's going to be in a review on my main TechWizTime channel. So make sure you subscribe over there. There'll be links down in the description below. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. So these are very premium headphones. The cups, oh wow, you can actually smell the leather. This is real leather, by the way, not fake faux leather or whatever, however you want to say it. Wow, it smells like yeah, it smells like one of those fresh leather couches that you see in a showroom. I've got to stop sniffing them. All right, so anyway, I'll put them to the side for just a second. What else do we get in here? This is an unboxing, not a sniffing video. All right, so you've got your instructions there, which is really good. You've got a little promo card there and feedback. And also a little FCC compliance information there, which is great. So that's all on that side. Now on the other side, we've got a few cables. Let me have a look in here. Oh, cool. Haven't seen silica like that before. No, it doesn't smell. All right, so you've got a USB-A to USB-C adapter there. You've got a USB-C to USB-C cable and a right angle 3.5mm to, looks like a 2.5mm. Let me just check something quickly. Excuse me. So if I plug that into there, and that was a dog. Okay, so maybe it goes, no, it's definitely, so the little 2.5mm one goes into the cuff underneath there. So that's really cool. And it looks like it's a locking one as well. So if I get it on the right, yep. Okay, so it locks in. That's really cool. That's a really cool design feature. So it's not going to come out, which is great. It'll come out of your phone, obviously, if you've got it plugged in there, if your phone has a 3.5mm jack. But yeah, that's really great. So you can just twist it and pull it out. There we go. That's cool. Awesome. That's a nice design feature. All right, so that's all the cables and such that comes with that case. So let me just throw that one to the side for a second and we'll come back to the actual headphones themselves. So on the side here, you've got noise cancellation. You can have it on, off, or transparent hearing. You've also got volume plus, volume minus, and then in the middle is the play or pause button, as well as, looks like answer a phone call or make a phone call. I'd say answer a phone call. You've got the voice assistant down the bottom there, which also is your pairing button for Bluetooth. And then you've got USB-C and the 2.5mm jack, which is that locking in one that I just showed you. So adjustment-wise, okay, yep, so adjustment-wise, it's just a slide. So you slide like that. I don't think, yeah. So depending on how, let's try these on. Oh, wow. That's considerably cut out the noise already in this room. That's awesome. Actually, the noise cancelling feature is on, I think. So let me turn it off and I'll just see. Okay. Wow, you can definitely hear the difference when you're going from off to on. Then there's a third step there, which is the transparent hearing. And what that is, so you can hear the noise around you, but also hear the music itself. That's really cool. So it's not actually so there's pull, so the very top is off, the very middle is on, and then if you pull down one more time, that enables the transparent hearing. So it's not actually another step. It's just either on or off. That's really cool. I hope that makes sense. So there's an off option, on, and then you pull it down and that triggers the transparent hearing. Cool. That is really, really awesome. One other thing to note as well, the middle where the play and pause is, that there has a little lip or little bump on it so you can feel it, so you know exactly where that is. Those are rubberized as well, so they're not a hard plastic, which is nice. Yeah, really cool. They fold down like that as well, which is really nice if you're just throwing them in a bag, but obviously putting them in the included case would be a really good idea. So yeah, all right, that is the Sennheiser Momentum Wireless headphones, and that was my unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to this channel because I've always got unboxings coming up here. It's not something regular, but I do try and put them out as much as I can for regular reviews and so forth, especially if you want to see a review of this one, because I've got an event happening up in Sydney next week. So I'm going to take them for a run, see what it sounds like in the Sydney traffic, and see, how they fend in that sort of situation. So if you want to check that review out, make sure you subscribe to the TechWizTime channel, because over there, that's where I will be putting up my final review for these headphones. So yeah, anyway, if you can share this video on Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, that would be fantastic as well. It would really help this channel to grow a little bit. So yeah, anyway, thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.